Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm actually just like kind of squatting because my lamp went out. Well, one of my lamps went out, so what you're about to see is when the lamp was still working. But I am testing out the new Wet n Wild Pac-Man collection. I don't know anything about Pac-Man except I've played it before a little bit, but the colors were screaming my name. And okay, honestly, I was watching a Kathleen Lights video this morning and I saw her do the look that she did and I was like, I need to go buy this palette immediately. So like literally 30 minutes after I watched her video, I went to Ulta and got the palette and I'm ashamed. I think the look looks amazing. Not to brag or anything. This look was inspired by Kathleen Lights 100%, so please do not come for me in the comments saying, oh my god, you copied Kathleen Lights. I know, I did. I purposely did. I didn't like look at her video while I was watching this, but I remembered her look and I was like, I need that on my eyes right now. So that's what I did. I need to stop getting so close to the camera because I'm not that cute. Anyways, just keep on watching to see how I got this look. I'm ashamed. I went today and bought the palette from Ulta. I mean, I wasn't planning on it because according to Ulta's website, it wasn't there. But then I walked into the store and I saw it. So like, obviously I had to go buy it. It was so pretty. Kathleen Lights this beautiful look, and basically what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to recreate her look and give my first impression. All I got was the palette and one of the Ghost Gloss Brilliant. Oh, by the way, there's construction work going on in my house and it's like literally right outside my window. So if you hear all that background noise, please ignore it. This is the only day I could film this. It's so pretty. It has 9 beautiful colors. It's like pink, purple, a shimmery orange, a teal bluish color, a yellow, tan color-ish, an orangey color, a blue, and a shimmery white. So like I had to. This was screaming my name. And it was only 10 bucks, which is actually kind of pricey for Wet n Wild, but I mean, it's drugstore, so cheap. I'm so excited to use it. By the way, I'm not a professional. I feel like I need to put that disclaimer out there. I'm not a professional makeup artist. I've learned everything from YouTube. At this point, I might have posted this blog post, but basically I'm talking about all my favorite beauty YouTubers and everyone that I've learned from over the past like 5 years. So just throwing that out there, I'm not professional, and as you've seen from my other makeup videos, like I'm not a professional. So whatever hot mess is happening today, y'all will get to see it. Why do I keep closing this? I can't. Okay, I've already found one problem. I cannot open this to save my life, and thank God I need to repaint my nails anyways because it is taking off my nail polish. So first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to prime my eyelids with using Tarte Shape Tape. That's usually what I do. Recreating this look based on my memory. I'm not actually looking at her photo or her video when I'm doing this, so I might be off. I think she went in, take this yellow. I'm putting it right here, closer to my, I don't know what that's called, but that part. Yellows, I've had a hard time with yellows. They don't really show up on my eye. Let me find another brush. Probably just because of my skin tone. I think that's the best we're gonna do. Take this orangey color right here. It's blending very easily into the yellow, which is good. Now I'm taking this fluffy brush and I'm going into the pink. It looks so pretty. Oh my gosh, it looks like summer literally on my eyes. So cute. Go back in the yellow. Then she took this silver color and put it right there. And I think I want to do the same thing. I'm wondering if I should go in with the orange instead. Let me try and see. I think I'm going to take the silver. There's a little bit of fallout, so you might want to just take a makeup brush, or not a makeup brush, a makeup wipe, and wipe away all the fallout because it ain't cute. Now take some eyeliner and put it on my upper lid. Please don't come at me for stretching my eyes. Yes, I know I'm gonna get wrinkles, but you know, it's the price I'm gonna have to pay because I don't know how to do it otherwise. Okay, cute, I think. Okay, I'm gonna do some of my face, my base, this makeup, and then I'll come back to finish up the eyes. Okay, I'm back. I finished up the rest of my face, minus the lips, my lower lash line. I don't know any face terms. And I put a little bit of that silver color under my brow bone. I don't know if you can see it. Oh, you can see it there. So now all I have to do is this, mascara and lips, and I'll show you the lips up and stuff. So for the lower lash line, first I'm going to take this purple and go in the outer part. So pretty. Oh my gosh. I don't know if the camera's picking it up properly. Y'all, it's pretty. My lighting is just not good, by the way, so it's slightly yellow because I have like a yellowish light. And then I also have like a white light, but it's not balancing right, so we're just gonna have to ignore that. I'm gonna take the pink, and then I'm gonna take this blue. Okay, I might have brought the purple in too much. That's my mistake. And then I'm gonna take this tealish blue and put it right there. There's a little bit of fallout, just throwing that out there. I'm gonna take a brush in. I'm gonna take my crease brush and put the purple. So now I'm gonna put this silver color, silver white. I know I keep interchanging those two words. Put that, pop some in the inner corner. Ooh. This is very glittery, by the way. This silvery white color. Just giving you a fair warning because that definitely just got all in my eye. I should have just done all my eyes. Oops. Oh well. I have to go to the gym, and I'm gonna be going with the full beat. Oops. Not the first time though. That's pretty though. This lighting, I'm so sorry, y'all. It is not doing any justice for this look because it looks so much prettier in real life. Okay, now I'm going to, let me find, I have a white eyeliner. I'm gonna see if I can put that under on my lash line, my water line. Wow. Oh, also by Wet n Wild. Let's see how this looks. Can you hear this? I'm so sorry. So I don't know why it went up. It's actually coming from down. Cute, maybe? I don't know. I might have just messed it up. Beautiful. I'm looking at myself in the mirror, sorry. Now I'm going to take some mascara. I'm going to use Maybelline's Pumped Up Colossal Volume Express Mascara. So good. Honestly, it's basically as good as the L'Oreal Lash Paradise. It's a great mascara. I'm going to curl my lashes first. That took 10,000 years. But I'm definitely done with the eyes. I'm gonna have to show better lighting because this is just not really capturing the beauty of this look. Okay, now I'm gonna try out the Wet n Wild Ghost Gloss Brilliant. Honestly, I don't know anything about Pac-Man, so I don't know what that means, but it's really cute. I got the color Blinky, and it's like a pinky, very kind of matches my shirt. We're gonna see how this looks. I'm gonna try it by itself, and then I'm gonna try it with the liquid lip underneath to see how it layers. Ooh, that's pretty. Okay, that's it by itself. What do you guys think? I don't know how I feel about it. I have to see in a different lighting, I think. It's a pretty color. I'm really bad at judging whether or not a lippy looks good on me or not because I don't know. Sometimes they just don't look good on me. I don't know if it's because I'm wearing pink, but it looks a little Miranda Sing-ish. It has more coverage than I anticipated, but it's definitely like you can see my lip a little bit through it. But it's a gloss, so this is kind of what you expect. It's pretty though. Like, it feels nice on the lips. I'm assuming the other colors will kind of be the same. But now what I want to try is I got one of the new L'Oreal Pro Matte Liquid Lipsticks from the Les Macarons. Is that how you pronounce it? I'm trying to up my French. So I wanted to see how that liquid lip looked and then put the gloss on top and see how they layer. Mostly because I want to see this too and I can do a 2 for 1. Okay, I'm back. Now I'm going to try this macaron. This is in the color Praline de Paris. I think I need a lip liner. Yeah, this color. Yeah, it's pretty. It's really pretty, but I definitely need a lip liner or something. Let me see if I can wait for this to dry down a little bit. I went back and removed the liquid lip and put a lip liner, CoverGirl's Lip Perfection in shade Sophisticated, and then I reapplied the liquid lip again. I think it looks a little better. I'm still very iffy about it. I might have to give you all my final thoughts on the liquid lip in the comments or in the description box, so there's that. But it's pretty. I think it looks better with the lip liner for sure because it's a really pretty color. I hate that sometimes like pinky bright colors just don't work with my skin tone or my lips. I think it's maybe my lips because I have like kind of, I'm not trying to brag here, but like I have bigger lips and sometimes, but I like have barely a cupid's bow, which is so frustrating. So it's like sometimes these colors just look too much on me and I'm just like, I want to do colors and I can't, or I just don't know how to work it because there's so many people with beautiful lips and they can pull up the bright colors, but when I do it I look like freaking Miranda Sings. But whatever, I'm gonna try to put this gloss on top and see how it looks with it. Oh my gosh, y'all, that shadow, I can just see the glitter right here. That silver color has a mind of its own and it's just trickling all over here. So I highly recommend doing your eyes completely first and then going in with your face because some of these colors have a little bit of fallout. Fallout doesn't necessarily bother me, but when you can't remove it, it's a little frustrating without ruining your whole face. So just throwing that out there if you don't like fallout. Let's try this gloss again on top. Let me make sure this is dried down because I don't want it to interfere with this whole wear test or whatever. Okay. It's transferring a little bit. By the way, this is super matte and stuff. So I don't know if you've ever tried L'Oreal's liquid matte lipsticks, but they're freaking amazing. And the formula is so great and it doesn't come off, does not transfer, like it's budge proof, which is why I'm kind of scared to wear this for any longer than this video because it might not just come off. So we'll see about these. So it's pretty dry, so I'm going to put this gloss on top and see how it looks. Okay, I think it layers fine on top of the liquid lipstick, so if you want to use this gloss to layer, it works. So I'm still iffy about how it looks on me, but the formula and everything feel fine to me. I haven't decided yet if I want to go about the rest of my day with this look, but. Okay, I went and found better lighting to see how everything looked, and isn't it pretty? I think it looks so good. The only thing is this lipstick I'm a little iffy about. It doesn't look as bad as I anticipated, but it's pretty pink for me. It matches my shirt, but yeah, I think it looks so good. And natural lighting, I love it. I absolutely love it. Overall, this is pretty much it. I think my opinions on everything is that the eyeshadow palette is really good. I think it's worth the price, and the color selection is good. It has cool tones and warm tones, so I don't know why I'm pointing like this, but it's a good palette. Do you necessarily need it? No, because it's very colorful. And do you have any other rainbow palettes? Because I feel like rainbow palettes are really in right now, because I have the James Charles Morphe palette, and like I don't necessarily need this because I have that, but for the price, like $10, and you get these pretty colors, and they blended so well. The colors aren't showing up on me as vibrantly as they did on Kathleen Lights, but I don't know if it might just be me because I'm not really good at applying vibrant shadows. I think I need a better eye base to make the colors pop, but it looks so pretty. Like, I'm very happy with how this look turned out. And yeah, so the eyeshadows are good, except that one silver color. It's very glittery, so be careful with how you apply that, because I put it under my brow bone and you can just see glitter, and I don't know if it's the cutest thing in the world, but it's good for the inner corner. And definitely do your eyes first before doing the rest of your face, because it'll get fallen everywhere and it ain't cute. And the thing is, I watched Kathleen Lights do it this morning, so I don't know why I didn't learn from her mistakes. So the liquid lipstick, the L'Oreal liquid lipstick, I think it's fine. The only thing is the shade might not work for me, so try to figure that out. If you guys think it looks good on me or it looks bad on me, or have any other suggestions on how to make that lipstick work, please comment below. And the gloss also seemed fine with me. It seems like any other gloss. It's not too sticky, because I've had some sticky glosses. This seems to be fine, and it layers well, so if you want to put it on top of a liquid lip or a lipstick, I think it'll be fine. And I just feel like a summer princess right now. Like, just this look screams summer. Yeah, that's basically it. Thank you guys for watching. I cannot believe I did a makeup review, but try new things, right? Well, I actually have done makeup reviews. Wow, I'm stupid. But anyways, please subscribe if you haven't already. Leave a comment, check out my blog, check out all my socials. It'll all be in the description box below. And that's basically it. Bye, y'all. I said I'm not going to do peace signs anymore. Gosh.